My name is Shanufami bin Sharubari, and I will start this presentation of Malaysia challenges and opportunity on reaching SDG11. In 2015, Malaysia joined 192 other UN members in adopting 2030 agendas for sustainable development, which committed to 169 targets and 17 SDGs. Creating inclusive, secure, resilient, and sustainable cities is the main goal of SDG11. In order to enhance the quality of life in urban areas, it comprises 10 targets and 15 indicators that address housing, transportation, urban planning, disaster risk, environmental impact, and access to green spaces. We will cover 5 potential challenges on reaching SDG11 for Malaysia, which is the first one is traffic congestion, high car ownership, and increasing emission, which will affect their quality of life. Second is inequality. 70% of Malaysia see a wide income gap and strong public demand. The third challenge is rapid urbanization, which is fast-growing cities with poorly managed growth risk. The fourth challenge is waste management. Over 39,000 tonnes of waste generated daily, and landfill may reach the capacity in 2050. Finally, the challenge is affordable housing. Houses remain unaffordable, and their prices keep rising faster than their income. Based on the challenges, there are 5 opportunities that we can take to reach the SDG11. The first one is smart city technology. Pilot project in cities like Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru, and Penang to other countries. The second one is green spaces and biodiversity. Park and public garden improve livability and provide climate regulation. The third one is community engagement. Involving residents ensure inclusive and responsive development and build public trust. The fourth one is sustainable urban planning. Integrate environment, economic, and social sustainability. Promotes resilient, inclusive, and future-ready cities. Last but not least, public transportation. Improving transit and reduce congestion and emission, which will also support economic growth and increase accessibility.
Good morning, my name is Wikaje. Today I will continue the presentation about contribution. The biggest contribution in Malaysia is making the smart city project. They are reshaping the nation urban landscape, addressing the challenge of urbanization and fostering innovation in construction. In this graph, we know that in 2022, the revenue for the IoT market in Malaysia amounted around 5.38 billion US dollar and increased by more than 1 billion US dollar compared to the previous year. Statistic Digital Market Insight estimate the revenue for the IoT industry in the country will continue to reach more than 12 billion US dollar by 2028. We believe that everyone has a role in making city better. To achieve SDG 11 in Malaysia by 2030, the government, private company, community, and engineer must work together. In the second slide, so the government role, organization and company, community and individual, engineering, contribution, and also Malaysia data and progress. In government role, they are making the national IoT strategy roadmap that can focus, the system is focused on innovative and grow, smart city initiative that can promote the efficiency, sustainability, and improve quality of life of residents. In the organization and company, they are reducing the growth of road vehicle, launch the sustainability blueprint. Community and individual is helping each other, like progressing the some activity like using the less plastic and taking the bus or train. And engineering is trying to make the system that can save energy and reduce pollution and build a smart traffic light, green building, and safe road. And the last one is Malaysia data. They are starting to make the smart city project and added more green space. This is all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Elvin Chong, matrix number 221091031, and I will be explaining on the recommendations. So, to support Malaysia in achieving SDG 11 by 2030, it's important that any engineering or development workers follow the right codes, standards, and regulations. This is to make sure everything is safe and efficient, and also help cities become more sustainable and livable. As engineering students, we believe that contributing to SDG 11 involves not just innovation, but also ensuring all our work follows the right standards and codes. So, for the first recommendation, follow building and planning guidelines. All construction and development projects should follow the Uniform Building Bylaws (UBBL) and Malaysian Standards (MS), like MS 2680/2018, in which case focuses on sustainability of infrastructure and planning. These guidelines will guarantee help make cities safer, greener, and more organized. For the second recommendation, follow Suruhanjaya Tenaga (ST) guidelines and MSIEC standards. All electrical systems in buildings and infrastructure should be encouraged to follow local codes from Suruhanjaya Tenaga, Energy Commission, and international standards such as MSIEC 60364 for low voltage installations. This will ensure safety, proper grounding, and protection from electrical hazards in residential and public buildings. The third one is implement energy efficient codes. Electrical design should be obligated to comply with the Efficient Management of Electrical Engineering Regulations 2008, EMEER 2008. This is especially important in large buildings, street lighting systems, and public transport terminals to reduce energy waste. The fourth one is support smart grid and smart metering development. Future city developments should start implementing smart grids and smart meters. Electrical engineers should refer to codes from TNB, IEC 62056 for smart metering data exchange, and plan Malaysia's smart city framework to guide implementations. These systems can help monitor usage and ensure improvement in energy distribution. Last but not least, encourage compliances via awareness and incentives. Many small contractors may not fully apply the codes due to high cost or lack of awareness. Authorities responsible and universities should conduct technical workshops or offer incentives to contractors involved to encourage full compliances, especially for energy efficient designs and regarding safety. This also motivates more developers to build responsibly. By applying these recommendations and respecting the relevant codes, we can ensure that engineering practices can contribute positively to a sustainable building development in Malaysia. As future engineers, it's our role to understand and apply these standards to build better cities.
Hello, my name is Sensen Ganurin. My metric number is 221091638. And now I will present about conclusion. Okay, what is sustainable cities? Sustainable cities are not just an idea, they are a shared responsibility. So everyone needs to play a role: governments, companies, communities, and engineers. The next one is what needs to be solved. Malaysia still faces real issues such as inequality in housing and infrastructure, traffic congestion and pollution, waste management and food wastage, and outdated urban systems. Number 4, what must be done? So a whole of society approach is essential, such as governments need to have policies, enforcement, smart cities projects, businesses adopt clean technologies, green practices, and people use public transport. Engineers design smart, energy efficient, and code compliant systems. Engineers must step forward. Our profession is at the front lines of sustainability. We need to build smart traffic systems, sustainable buildings, and waste solutions. Key message is SDG is not a dream, it's a roadmap that we can build. We need to create safe, well-planned, and happy cities for all Malaysians. That's all from me.